back to Nee's Fun World. Today I'm on a motorcycle. I'm going pretty fast. I'm going like 40 miles per hour already. So today, and we're going to... Where are we? Where are we going? Vietnam. Where are we going to on the path? Dong Tao. In English, please. Dong Tao. It's a beach resort. Yeah, it's a beach resort. And yeah, so we're going there right now. And it's so much fun because we're on nature too. So, bye. Wait, not bye yet. I'll show you the beach. Yeah, did you see that? It's so beautiful, right? And I painted my nose. This is the Vietnamese flag. It's red. It's pretty much a Vietnamese flag, right? It is. So, yeah. Do you want me to show you? Do you want to show you? I'm going to show you what it looks like, okay? Isn't it so fun, guys? Yeah, exactly. Exactly like that. There's flowers over there. There's a school. There's people. There's eating. Oh my gosh. This is the best. I will show you. Bye. Remember to like and subscribe.